Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the updated process of deleting your phone number from LinkedIn using a PC. If you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply want to remove outdated information, follow these straightforward steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon is usually represented by your profile picture or an outline of a person. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account settings. Next, in the Settings menu, click on Account Preferences. Here, you'll find various options related to your account settings. Now let's focus on updating your profile information. Under the Profile Information section, look for an option that says Name, Location, and Industry, and click on it. This section allows you to edit key details about your profile. Once in this section, scroll down until you find Contact Info. Click on this to access your current contact details. You will see an option labeled Edit Contact Info. Go ahead and click on that. In the Edit Contact Info window, locate the phone number bar. If you have a phone number listed there and wish to delete it, simply remove the number from this field. Finally, after deleting your phone number, make sure to click on Save to confirm your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your phone number is permanently removed from your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your phone number from LinkedIn using a PC. This quick update not only helps protect your privacy, but also keeps your profile information accurate. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.